Well, ladies and gentlemen, Six Fake Stock Trader here on YouTube, and we are going to do a quick update on Yokai Swap. But before we do, you can get these charts at Avedex, AVEDEX.cc. That is how I am viewing these charts. Very limited with what we can work with right now, but I thought I'd do a quick little touch up on Yokai Swap. Nothing really has happened. We are still trading sideways. Before we get into the meat and bones of this thing though, check me out on Twitter, and then after this video head on over to Nervos Network's Twitter handle and watch episode 28. You will find me there as a guest in today's Hashing It Out episode. So big shout out to all the folks over at Nervos, thank you for having me on. Again, this is going to be short and sweet. We can see that Yok has been trading sideways, but on top of that, we almost have a little trend line that is developing to the top and bottom side. So we can see that there is a symmetrical triangle squeeze that is occurring right now with Yokai Swap. And whenever we see these symmetrical triangle squeezes happen, usually it's a good indication that the previous trend will continue once price squeezes out. Not necessarily guaranteed. So I don't want you guys to think that, okay, hey, this thing's going to start ripping to the upside. But if we just drop a little time sequence down on the charts, let's just kind of see what we get. I mean, yeah, you could argue that this time sequence is valid. In hindsight, it was warning us of this little drop-off, right in here. It was warning us of this little reversal right in here. It's no surprise that time sequence is appearing December 10th, around, 8 p.m. Central Time, give or take 2 or 3 hours. We may see sometime tomorrow Yokai Swap really start to move. And I'm hoping we get it to the upside. I'm hoping this thing cruises up to 75 cents, $1. You guys get it. But people are holding, people are staking from what I can tell in the stake pools. I saw a tweet from Yokai that they had over $60 million in the pools, which was insane. So I think what people did was whatever money didn't get taken for the IDO, they just kind of rolled it into the pools. That's what I did essentially. But that is where we are at right now. There's really nothing to get excited about, which is a good thing sometimes in crypto, right? As long as we're not heading down, it's a good day. Where this thing might go, if we go to the upside, 83 cents, 92 cents, $1.01. I'm just reiterating those same numbers. If we head to the downside, let's just say market just tanks for whatever reason, definitely could see the 57 cent level, 52 cent level, 46 cent level. But I don't want to talk about that stuff right now because I think for the most part, we have a good thing going, knowing that when Nervos connects to Cardano, there's going to be a bigger influx of traffic to Yokai Swap as a result. And I do think that we will see prices on Yok go pretty high. And that is really all that I can say for Yokai Swap right now. We just have crappy charts to deal with until TradingView plugs this into their mainframe so everyone else can use it. We are kind of left in the dark using this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little touch-up on Yokai Swap. Again, head on over to Hashing It Out episode 28. Absolutely phenomenal discussion. I don't miss this. There's been 1 or 2 episodes that I have missed due to some unforeseen circumstances, but if you guys are looking to ask questions to members of the Nervos team, this is your chance. Always great to hear kind of what's going on behind the scenes with them. So big shout out to all the Patreons. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting the channel. If you're interested, $3 a month will get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day wherever you are at in the world.